What is up, you guys? Welcome back. This video is pretty much going to be explaining a few updates to the C32 here. Stay tuned on this video just to keep up with all the updates. I'm super excited about this update and the new sponsorship with the channel. And regarding this car has come a long ways, and I'll go a little bit over it shortly, but those of you that constantly watch the channel, you guys already know exactly what this car is. All right, before we get started, go ahead and smash the like button, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because all the new updates that I'm going to be talking about on this car, I don't know when I'm going to be posting the videos, so if you guys are watching this video and I haven't posted in a while, you guys are probably going to miss the future videos. That's how it works on YouTube. So if you want to see the future videos, just go ahead and subscribe right now to stay tuned for the future videos. All right, let's go ahead and get a cold start in with E85. This is a cold start. It's been almost a day and a half, so. Hey, let's go. I'll let this thing warm up real quick. This thing is looking really clean right now. Just washed it yesterday and it's been sitting, so I'm excited to take it out and just drive around for a little bit. As you guys know, this platform, specifically the C32 AMG, not a lot of people or no one is posting about this platform on YouTube. So if you guys do watch these videos, go ahead and actually share them to your friends or whoever that, you know, would be beneficial to them, because honestly, like, I feel like a lot of people are missing the C32 content on YouTube. That would tremendously help a lot of people out in terms of like modifications or maintenance items, or like what mods to do first, and you know, just starting from scratch. A lot of people aren't too sure like which company to get a tune by, what, you know, parts to buy, where to buy them from. So this, like, a lot of what I post will help out a lot of people, especially people that aren't really on YouTube, but if the video is shared to them, they'll be able to access that video on YouTube and be able to learn more and more about this platform. I think I'm probably going to do more videos on this platform regarding your first mods and maintenance and all that. I feel like that would be like super beneficial to a lot of you guys, because I do get a lot of DMs saying they've gotten this car because of my channel, but they don't know exactly like where to start in terms of modifications or just maintenance in general. I figured I'll share this with you guys real quick so the word gets spread around. Also, my headliner, guys, some of you have probably already noticed it. Yes, I need to get that fixed. I know it looks disgusting right now, but rolling the windows down and the wind, actually, you know what? I don't think it's the windows. I think it's because I opened the sunroof a lot. Like, you know, when you fully open it, it goes back. Yeah, I think that's what happened to my roof liner. So, if you guys know if I can, like, actually take that roof liner off and replace it, if it's an easy job, let me know, because I would definitely go ahead and rather do that than try and figure it out. I've already tried, but yeah, it's not working out. That's why it looks like that. So check it out. We've got Rob at Needswings stepping in to help finish out the build on the C32. We did talk about a few upgrades that we'll be doing, which, you know, Needswings do carry those products. So we're going to be partnering up with them. We're going to be getting those things installed on the car. And honestly, it's going to look amazing once we're done with it. My previous video, we did talk about installing the crossover surge tanks on this platform. It's going to be a phenomenal upgrade to what I have going on with the stack pulleys, E85 and all that. So that's what we're going to be doing with Rob at Needswings. So for the crossovers, I will explain more about the crossovers whenever we get to install it, but just to give you an idea with the crossovers really help out with reducing intake air temps, reducing boost pressure, and it actually increases the airflow that goes into the engine itself to make more power. In terms of reducing intake air temps, the crossovers pretty much equalizes the pressure in the supercharger and with the engine to get air flowing as quick as possible without the engine working as hard as possible. I think that's like the simplest way I can explain it with the crossovers. The crossovers are tweaked, so they are ported, and if you look, well, you definitely can't look back here, but which I said I will explain more about the crossovers when we're installing them. But the lower Y pipe is also ported and smoothed out in order for air to flow into the system. Like I said, I'm gonna explain all of it when we get to installing. That's just the little pieces of information regarding the surge tanks before moving on to the other stuff. That's that for the surge tanks. So the other modification we'll be doing next will be the intakes. I know last video, a couple of videos ago, I think, we did talk about these intakes, these lifter air boxes. And, you know, Needswings will be providing me with their dual cold air intake. You guys are so familiar with that intake. We had one similar to it, but his is gonna work a lot better. So the reason why I went with the dual cold air intake, it's gonna pretty much be the last piece of the puzzle with what we have going on with this, what Rob and I have talked about with completing the build on this, and that is why I'm going with the dual cold air intake. It's a great intake, guys, but just keep in mind it all works together. I know we did talk about this intake and how great this intake is, but it's just going to be out of the puzzle with everything that we're going to be doing here. So just stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys understand that, because I know we did cover on this particular intake and how great this intake is, but the dual cold air intake is also a phenomenal intake, but it's just gonna tie in to everything with what we have going on for this car. So intakes will definitely be changed out, obviously crossovers, and we do have the lower Y pipe. With the crossovers, you want to get the lower Y pipe tweaked as well, so it's going to be ported. It's this build is pretty much going to be 90% ported except for the supercharger. I don't know when I'll be doing that, but the lower Y pipe will be tweaked as well. Other than that, you guys, when I got the car, I did paint these valve covers. You guys have noticed I do have a little bit of some leakiness going on here, especially with this cover here. It's a common issue, but what we're going to be doing is switching out these valve covers so we don't have any more leaks. And we're pretty much going to go with a specific color with the valve covers. You guys stay tuned for that. It's pretty much a hint to everything with what I have explained so far with the intake and the crossovers. That's going to be a special color. You guys stay tuned for that. The crossovers also are going to be a special color. It's not just going to be the regular aluminum color from factory. And also the cold air intake is going to be a special color as well. So if you guys can take a guess to what the colors are going to be, put it down in the comments down below. I'm curious. A lot of people have gone with many different colors, but I don't think the colors I've gone with, a lot of people have done it, or I haven't seen anyone that have done it. I'm sure there's probably a ton that, you know, isn't on social media, but I think it's gonna look fantastic on this engine bay. If you guys can take guesses on what the color valve covers are gonna be, the color for the dual cold air intake and the color for the crossovers, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, man, guys, this car is almost completed, almost dialed. Honestly, I do want to change the color on this car. I want to throw a wrap on it just to complete it, honestly. I don't know when that's gonna be. It's gonna be sometime in the future, guys. Who knows? You guys keep supporting the channel, let it happen. But for now, this is the new sponsorship on the channel, and I'm actually really excited. Like, I never thought this would happen, but I am super excited. And all these parts we're going to be throwing on the car from Needswing. If you guys are looking to get parts from Needswings, like I said, this will also help you guys out. I will have a coupon code for you guys to use, and that's going to drastically save you a ton with parts from Needswings, especially the crossovers. My coupon code is gonna shave off a lot on the crossover. So if you guys are looking to purchase that, go ahead and use my coupon code, and just let me know whenever you use it. I plan to not make this video too long. I figured I will just make a quick video to update you guys on what you can expect in the near future with the C32. And aside from that, the E55 is doing great. I haven't posted a video on that in a while. If you guys are wanting more E55 content, please let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, man, this car, I've been really enjoying it on E85. E85 is a blast on this car, guys, and it's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. If you guys want to go E85, I highly recommend it. But again, we talked about E85, and if available to you, go ahead and do it. With the crossovers and everything, you know, we're gonna be running pretty low boost on this thing. We'll probably throw it on the dyno, see what it makes, and then we'll see if I would throw more boost on it to just pretty much complete it. I don't know what order these videos are going to be coming out, honestly, but if you guys haven't already seen that video, or I guess if it hasn't dropped yet, we are also adding on a TCU tune on this car, a new TCU tune from the Mercedes swap shop. Their TCU tunes, I kid you not, they are phenomenal. Already it's installed on this car and I have been loving it. It's crazy. There's a lot that I cover on this whenever the video comes out, so stay tuned for that. Again, I don't know when these videos are going to be coming out, so I figured I would just mention it if it hasn't come out yet in this video. Like I said, you guys, if you guys want to keep up with the content, go ahead and subscribe, and also smash the like button, guys. If you can get this video to 50 likes, that would be amazing. Just like smash the like button right now, and then before closing out on this video. All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.